This video will give you 100 search engine techniques. You can study millions of high-rank websites and model their techniques to use on your website. You might add keywords, phrases in the HTML title tag. You could also model other higher-ranked blog site SEO tactics. You can have good linking structure. You might also clone other top-listed video site search engine tips. You should insert keywords, phrases in the HTML body copy. You can also imitate other leading world news sites' optimization methods. You could purchase quality web hosting. You may also fabricate other #1 wiki site SEO concepts. You may use a fast-loading website. You should also mirror other top 10 website template site search engine ideas. You might place keywords, phrases in bold typeface. You could also copy other hierarchy portal sites' optimization advice. You can affix keywords, phrases in header tags. You might also pattern other high-traffic web directory site SEO instructions. You should use quality website links. You can also duplicate other top-of-the-list web-based software site search engine loopholes. You could submit link viral freebies to other sites. You may also reproduce other best yellow page sites' optimization outlines. You may add keyword, phrase image title names. You should also simulate other top-position web-based book site SEO checklists. You might use quality internal linking. You could also study other uppermost ranked virtual world site search engine models. You can insert keyword, phrases image alts. You might also mold other first-placed video sharing sites' optimization plans. You should refresh your content regularly. You can also portray other upper-listed video sales letter site SEO steps. You could get authority backlinks. You may also match other highest-listed web ring site search engine recipes. You may use doorway pages. You should also generate other prime position top list directory sites optimization schemes. You might place keywords, phrases in the domain name. You could also create other top 5 squeeze page site SEO resources. You can use SEO optimization software. You might also similar other popular placed sports site search engine analysis. You should add keywords, phrases in the web page name. You can also use other higher-ranked software directory sites optimization recommendations. You could write keyword, phrases in the page folder. You may also attain other top-listed social networking site SEO links. You may insert keyword, phrases in link names. You should also form other leading social media site search engine solutions. You might submit linked audio to other sites. You could also make other #1 service sites optimization directions. You can join backlink exchanges. You might also produce other top self-improvement site SEO maps. You should get keyword, phrase name backlinks. You can also learn other hierarchy search engine site search engine procedure. You could use good ratio keyword, phrases in your content. You may also review other high-traffic self-help sites optimization descriptions. You may type keywords, phrases in the meta description tag. You should also add other top-of-the-list sales letter site SEO profile. You might get quality backlinks. You could also incorporate other resources site search engine fixes. You can use a good-sized web page. You might also model other top-position report sites optimization hints. You should get tons of black links. You can also clone other uppermost ranked real estate listings site SEO help. You could make a lot related linked pages. You may also imitate other first-placed question and answer site search engine shortcuts. You may allow visitor to add comments. You should also fabricate other upper-listed proxies sites optimization clues. You might use original content. You could also mirror other highest-listed profile site SEO strategies. You can purchase quality backlinks. You might also copy other prime position product review site search engine commentary. You should hire a SEO expert or service. You can also pattern other top 5 product catalog sites optimization formulas. You could use quality site maps. You may also duplicate other popular placed web hosting site SEO coaching. You may submit linked videos to other sites. You should also reproduce other higher-ranked product site search engine consulting. You might use keyword, phrase-named videos. You could also simulate other top-listed picture sharing sites optimization explanations. You can use balanced placement of backlinks. You might also study other leading personal site SEO shortcuts. You should link to good root domains. You can also mold other #1 payment processor site search engine keywords. You could use gateway pages. You may also portray other top organizational sites optimization processes. You may create and link to many related mini sites. You should also match other hierarchy opt-in giveaway sites SEO blueprints. You might use rewritten related PLR content. You could also generate other high-traffic online service site search engine templates. You can allow visitors to add content. You might also create other top-of-the-list online mall sites optimization systems. You should start an affiliate program for links. You can also similar other online game sites SEO suggestions. You could create a content directory. You may also use other top-position online auction site search engine rules. You may purchase high-traffic expired domain names. You should also attain other uppermost ranked offline store sites optimization tricks. You might use related news content or feeds. You could also form other first-placed music sharing site SEO techniques. You can submit linked articles to other sites. You might also make other upper-listed movie listings site search engine factors. You should research the keywords, phrases. You can also produce other highest-listed mobile device sites optimization tutorials. You could trade links with other targeted websites. You may also learn other prime position mini-site SEO solutions. You may partner with a top website owner. You should also review other top 5 microblog site search engine information. You might avoid over penalties for optimization. You could also add other popular placed membership sites optimization tactics. You can use targeted keywords. You might also incorporate other higher-ranked map, directions site SEO tips. You should submit your site to all the search engines. You can also model other top-listed local news site search engine methods. You could link to good page-ranked sites. You may also clone other leading links page sites optimization concepts. You may avoid using too many links on your page. You should also imitate other number 1 joint venture site SEO ideas. You might share linked pictures on sharing sites. You could also fabricate other top 13 instant commission site search engine advice. You can submit linked product reviews to other sites. You might also mirror other hierarchy humor sites optimization instructions. You should submit your site to all the web directories. You can also copy other high traffic, how to site SEO loopholes. You could join linked banner exchanges. You may also pattern other top-of-the-list graphic directory site search engine outlines. You may post link answers and questions on those sites. You should also duplicate other number 4 government sites optimization checklists. You might use bold or italicized keywords. You could also reproduce other top-position gossip site SEO models. You can create linked auctions on auction sites. You might also simulate other uppermost ranked freelancer directory site search engine plans. You should use relevant content with keyword, phrases. You can also study other first-placed free-by directory sites optimization steps. You could design your site for specific search engines. You may also mold other upper-listed free email site SEO recipes. You may submit linked press releases to sites. You should also portray other highest-listed forum site search engine schemes. You might link and get backlinks to highly branded sites. You could also match other prime position fire sale sites optimization resources. You can use different but related words. You might also generate other top 5 file sharing site SEO analysis. You should place link pay-per-click advertising. You can also create other popular placed fan page site search engine recommendations. You could create and link to foreign language versions of your site. You may also similar other higher-ranked event listing sites optimization links. You may submit multiple domain names for the same site. You should also use other top-listed educational site SEO solutions. You might submit link post top forums. You could also attain other leading e-commerce sites search engine directions. You can beware of your keyword density. You might also form other number 1 ebooks directory sites optimization maps. You should buy search engine optimization courses. You can also make other top 14 donation site SEO procedures. You could avoid website crashes during sales. You may also produce other hierarchy dime sales site search engine descriptions. You may avoid using too much Flash or JavaScript. You should also learn other high-traffic dictionary sites optimization profile. You might use relevant keyword, phrase with inbound, outbound links. You could also review other top-of-the-list diary site SEO fixes. You can submit link resumes on sites. You might also add other top 5 dating sites search engine hints. You should avoid being intimated by higher-rank sites. You can also incorporate other top-position contextual ad content sites optimization help. You could use misspell keywords phrases. You may also model other uppermost ranked contest directory site SEO shortcuts. You may fix broken links on your website. You should also clone other first-placed content trading sites' search engine clues. You might create a mobile phone version of your site. You could also imitate other upper-listed content archive sites' optimization strategies. You can place link-classified ads on websites. You might also fabricate other highest-listed computer file storing sites' SEO commentary. You should submit linked posts to social networks. You can also mirror other prime position company branding sites' search engine formulas. You could use shorten URLs with relevant keyword phrases. You may also copy other top 5 community sites' optimization coaching. You may interview high-ranked website owners. You should also pattern other popular placed classified ad sites' SEO consulting. You might avoid giving up to get a higher rank. You could also duplicate other higher-ranked chat room sites' search engine explanations. You can be aware of the word count of your pages. You might also reproduce other top-listed celebrity sites' optimization shortcuts. You should offer to manage a site for a top website owner. You can also simulate other leading career, job directory sites' SEO keywords. You could avoid using republished content. You may also study other number 1 bookmarking sites' search engine processes. You may use multiple domain types for the same site. You should also mold other top 15 blog plug-in directory sites' optimization blueprints. You might track your SEO results and analytics. You could also portray other hierarchy blog hosting sites' SEO templates. You can give business link testimonials. You might also match other high-traffic autoresponder sites' search engine systems. You should use services, account to the search engines you submit to. You can also generate other top-of-the-list automobile for sale listings sites' optimization suggestions. You could submit linked blog posts to other sites. You may also create other audio sharing sites' SEO rules. You may use keyword phrases subheadings. You should also similar other top position audio sale letter sites' search engine tricks. You might use SEO website scripts. You could also use other uppermost ranked article directory sites' optimization techniques. You can create and link to related blogs. You might also attain other first-placed app directory sites' SEO factors. You should use keywords in your ad copy. You can also form other upper-listed affiliate program sites' search engine tutorials. You could keep track of your competition's ranks. You may also make other highest-listed adult sites' optimization solutions. You may use outsourced services for SEO. You should also produce other prime position about me sites' SEO information. Today this is our SEO tips for beginner. We are trying to make good videos about learning, so please subscribe and stay tuned to this channel. Thanks for watching.